Hey guys, Kyle here, classfordespairs.com. A few people reached out to us looking for BSA A50 pistons. Now guys that have A50 500 unit twins, you guys know that finding valve train, cylinder heads, piston ring are really hard to find. Luckily I was able to source a piston manufacturer in Australia called JP Pistons. So we got all the pistons here. We're actually going to open up a box and I'm going to show you all the details and all the components that come with the piston set when you buy it from the website. All right, so we got a brand new box full of pistons, rings, and clips. Let's open it up. So these, like I said, are made by JP Pistons. Check these out. They're super nice. We got pistons. These are die cast. These are not forged, so die cast just like originals. We have standard all the way up to 60 over. You got the pins. Very nice fit. Each box comes with rings. These are cast iron rings. One box is for one piston. And we got a one-piece oil ring. Very traditional. Nothing crazy over the top. These are great OEM replacement. Next up, we got the circlips. They're more of a modern type of circlip. We got the piston fitting instructions. Make sure that you read this entire paper. And you can see at the bottom, it has the minimum recommended clearance, which is very important to go off of. All right, you guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Don't forget that you can purchase these pistons online for your bike. We do also sell piston rings by itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.